What's happening, folks? This is Eli with Tutorials, and today I wanted to do a quick video showing you how to add an image in a folder in sort of a local setting. This is actually from a comment that we received, and we just wanted to help that commenter out. I know it's a little bit late because we actually just saw the comment, but I still think it's a good tutorial for someone who is new in the web design business. So let's get started. Before we start, I do want to give you a disclaimer that if you're planning to host the file and the HTML page on your computer, then you're not going to have a problem doing this. But if you're planning to host it, for example, on a website with a www.anything, you are going to have to pay for hosting. You're going to have to contact a hosting company that will help you do that. And then once you contact them, they'll give you an FTP server. You can actually upload it, and then it'll be visible to everybody. With that being said, let's get started, because I do know that some people don't know how to do this, and I just want to make sure that they understand the concept of how that stuff works. So I'm not going to type with HTML stuff, and I'm just going to use the basic notepad that everybody's going to have and most people have in their computers. So in this case, I'm going to actually just use a code that I borrowed from this page here, W3 Tutorials. And this is the code that I'm going to use. I'm actually going to have it linked for everyone here, so you should be able to see it on the bottom of the comments of this, like at the bottom of the description of this video. Okay, so now that I've copied the HTML code, I'm gonna paste it in here. This is your base stuff. This is every basically any website. Every website has to have something similar to this in order to show you anything that you see, like any photo, any text, or any of that type of stuff. So in this case, you need a doc type HTML, a head where you can type a title. It's, when you see the information up here, and then your headings and different things, and you can add the design aspects, which are the CSS and all that stuff, so all that good stuff. So, but I'm going to keep it simple because this is a very simple tutorial. So we're going to put it in the body. We're going to put this image here, which is the image of Arthur Morgan in Red Dead Redemption. And we're gonna literally put it on here on this file. We're gonna actually have the file connect to this index HTML page. So the first thing you'll do is right here at the bottom, this is body. Just type in img and then src. Type in this case the name of the file. You can actually copy it if you want to. I'm going to copy it so that I can show you. I'm going to go back here and literally paste it, but remember that it's an image file, so it is most likely a JPG or JPEG file. Once you do that, then you hit here, and you hit this here. You can manipulate it so that it looks different. I'm going to copy actually this over here and put it on the top because I had already worked on it, and just I want to make sure that when I refresh it, you can see the difference on it. Right, so now that I've saved it up here, the next thing is to do is go to the file, which is right over here. We already have it over there, but I do want to show you that I did to make it different. I did do this. This is the heading. You can see, and it pretty much is very simple. Like I said, you could actually change the size of it. You could do so many different things with the file. So that should be pretty much it. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave a comment if you need to know something else. I hope this makes sense, because it's something that it's easy for someone that knows how to do it, but it's not easy for someone that is learning how to do it, and so it's a different thing. So signing off, this is Eli with Tutorials. Take care, everybody.